There we go, in this nice cozy office setup. Oh yes, yes, yes. Welcome back to YouTube How To. I'm your guide, Andrea G, and welcome to Tip Tuesday. This is where I share the best tips, tricks, and strategies to help you grow your YouTube channel and actually make some money with your efforts, because after all, that's one of the goals, right? Is to actually make some money with what it is that you are doing. I'm going to do these videos in under 5 minutes so that you can be on your merry way and apply these things. I said the kitchen, yes, good old kitchen timer right here. You can be on your merry way rather than watching a 9-10 minute video that just talks in circles, doesn't really say a whole lot, and then you walk away from that video not really knowing the next step for you to take. If I was just starting a YouTube channel, this is what I would do. I don't know how many tips are going to be in this series, but I got a lot of really good ones here with you, as I have multiple YouTube channels. If you are brand new here, I'm basically a YouTube mad scientist because I love video creation, understanding what people want more of on the YouTube platform. I recently took 2 months off on this channel right here where I did not upload a single thing, not one thing. Do you know my insides were like crawling like, girl, you need to be uploading. You hear all those people talking about you need to upload or your channel's gonna die. Like you need to upload every day, you need to upload 3 times a week. What are you gonna do? All that effort you put in is gonna go to waste because you have stopped uploading for 2 months, my friend. I'm going to share with you why I stopped uploading, and I'm also going to share with you what actually happened to this YouTube channel right here so that you can apply it to your YouTube career, whether that's part-time or full-time. Now, taking time off is something that you absolutely need to do in your YouTube journey, and here's why. When you are first starting on YouTube, growth is going to likely be slow unless you hit a particular trend and you can ride that trend for indefinitely, as long as that trend is relevant to people. But it takes time to grow, and a lot of videos kind of start like this, and then over time, sometimes 8 months, 9 months, you get a spike like this, and then your channel all of a sudden takes off and blows up, and you're like, what happened? I don't know what. You're looking back and you go, ooh, it was one video in particular that did the trick. But meanwhile, you are busting your butt, you are sweating, you are frustrated, you're like, why is this YouTube thing not working? Why am I not growing my channel? Why am I not making any money? And you're like, this thing doesn't even work, I want to quit. Don't quit, my friend. Do not quit. Let me be your encouragement and motivation, because I was there too, just, I don't know, short 2 years ago, 1.5 years ago, something like that. It's important to take time off. Why? Because then you can really see what videos are performing well on your channel. You get time to step away from your creative process. You get to recharge. You get to look at alternative things, see new perspectives, because here's what happens. If you record YouTube videos, chances are you kind of get in routine and you start doing the same thing over and over and over again to mostly the same degree, and you don't really get much of a different result, and you feel frustrated and you feel stuck. So it's a great opportunity to recharge. The other thing is that your audience is going to be refreshed when you come back from whatever time off that you need. Maybe it's 2 weeks, maybe it's a month, heck, maybe it's 3 months. It's totally up to you. That's the beauty with YouTube and becoming an entrepreneur, is not to be a slave to social media and YouTube and what we think YouTube wants. The goal is to maintain our own mental health, creative juices, so that we can continue to create long term. After all, YouTube is a long game, and those who can stand out the longest win, my friend. This is not a quick rich, get quick rich sort of thing. Now, does it happen? Yeah, from time to time, but for the majority of us normal people in this world, that's not what happens. But when you are patient and persistent, my friend, the payout is grandiose, can be very grandiose. So what happened with this particular YouTube channel? My friend, I didn't upload for half of November, none of December, and part of January. And in December, my channel actually hit a peak, and one of my particular videos took off. So you know what happens come January when I start to upload again. I know exactly where to focus my efforts, and I know where to double down. Whereas if I just kept uploading and getting frustrated, why isn't this happening? Where isn't this going? Why isn't this growing? My audience is getting bored with what it is that I'm saying. Well, I would be in a worse situation than I am now. When you come back, your audience is interested to hear from you. They hadn't heard from you in a while. A lot of times you were going to be better off that you took that time off. The time that you took where your channel may have slowed, if you took that time off, you're gonna surpass it once you start uploading again, because you have new creative energy, you have new ideas, you got out of your own way for a bit. So in your YouTube career, you must take time off, planned time off, where you don't upload so you can really have a good assessment of what's working on your channel and what is working for you in your own personal life. Whoa, that is my timer. It's been about 5 minutes. It's probably not gonna feel like 5 minutes on your end because I'm gonna cut some of that fluff out so that you can be on your merry way. More of the story, take time off. It is worth your channel. It is worth your mental health. And at the end of the day, things are gonna turn out just fine for you. Long game, my friend. All right, YouTube thinks that you're gonna enjoy this video next. Let's see if YouTube's right. Go ahead and click it. Give this video a thumbs up. Lots of freebies for you in the description box below. We'll see you in the next Tip Tuesday.